Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, our group want to present about joining technology in oil and gas industry. Let's start with introduction. Joining technology in oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry plays a very important role in the global energy supply as well as the world economy. The oil and gas industry utilises various highly complex infrastructures such as rings, pipeline, platform, plants and facilities. The majority of this infrastructure created using welding technology. Characteristics of welding that give benefits to the oil and gas industry. The first one, a lapse in quality in the oil and gas industry can severely damage the environment and lead to devastating loss of life and money. The second one, benefits of the speed. In maintenance and repair, speed is very crucial in industry that involve production. The third one, efficiency. Success of many oil and gas projects are depend on the efficiency, as welding is the key of productivity in the oil and gas industry. The last one is cost effectiveness. Actually, is the further increase through welder rental space which offer thousands of high quality welding equipment.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Aina Natasha Martinez. I will give an explanation on types of welding joint in oil and gas. In oil and gas industry, they usually use welding method to join the pipe. In welding process, we divided into two types of welding, which is fusion welding and solid state welding. In fusion welding, they are using arch welding, which is gas tungsten arch welding (GTAW), sheeted metal arch welding (SMAW), and gas metal arch welding (GMAW). For solid state welding, they use friction welding as joining method in oil and gas department. Firstly, gas tungsten arch welding (GTAW), also known as tungsten gas welding. It is an arch welding process that uses non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. The weld area and electrode are protected from oxidation and by entering the gas-sheeted gas such as argon and helium. The process can be used to weld thick or thin materials with or without filler method. One of the benefits using this welding is produce exceptionally clean weld where no slag is produced, so no cleaning is required. Next, sheeted metal arch welding (SMAW) or stick welding is a process which melt and join metal by heating with an arch heating a coated metal electrode and the workpiece. Other function of the coating are to provide eye stability and control break shape by allowing element can be added to the coating. Furthermore, it is most widely used for the various arch welding process. Thirdly, gas metal arch welding (GMAW), also known as metal inert gas (MIG) welding. GMAW is a welding process which join metal by heating the metal to the melting point with an electric arch. Gas metal arch welding is a versatile process that may be used to weld a wide variety of metal, including carbon steel, low alloy steel. Lastly, solid state welding. They usually use friction welding. Friction welding (FRW) is the solid state welding process that generates heat through mechanical friction between workpiece in relative motion to one another. In this welding process, the friction is used to generate heat at the interference surface. So why friction welding has been used in oil and gas industry? First, surface don't have to be clean. Superior weld strength, no use of flux, gas and filler material, less time required, customized solution, a more reliable process, and adaptable technology.
Hi, my name is Lavinia Imas Anna Henry Sang. I will present about advantage and disadvantage, application, and job responsibility. According to three types of welding that we choose in oil and gas industry, the advantage of gas tungsten arch welding (GTAW) is it is produce a high quality weld structure, no slag involved, therefore cleaning of slag is not required. Second, shielded metal arch welding SMAW the simplest of all the arc welding processes. And a big range of metal and jar alloy can be welded. Third, gas metal arch welding GMAW. Thick and thin, both types of work pieces can be welded effectively. Because of the continuously feed electrode, MIG welding process is much faster as compared to TIG or stick electrode welding. Disadvantage for GTAW is relatively expensive compared to other processes and normally manual operation, so the welding rate is typically low. For SMAWs, the process is discontinuous due to limited length of the electrode, and weld may contain slag inclusion. Third, disadvantage for GMAW is no slag system, so out of position welds are sometimes more difficult and need shielding gas, so the welding in wheezy condition can be difficult. Application for GTAW is welding sheet metal and thinner section. For SMAW is almost all of the commonly employed metal and jar alloy can be welded by this process. And for GMAW is for the manufacture of the refrigerator part. Welder job responsibilities. There are some of welding job titles in oil and gas industry, such as pressure welder, drilling platform welder, pipeline arch welder, and the other else.
And good evening. I'm Farhana Zulkifli going to explain about discussion. On discussion, I already mentioned about the importance the welding to the oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry are very important in the global economy. Welding is a process of permanently joining materials. This industry of oil and gas is different from engineering industries, which is this oil and gas industries has different conditions that consider and that need to be considered. With this joining technology, the oil and gas industry have many types of welding joints. This type will be gas tungsten arc welding, sheet metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and friction welding. Gas tungsten arc welding needs a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld sheet metal arc welding that needed heat between a cold metal electrode and the workpiece. While gas metal arc welding uses a continuous solid wire electrode that will travel through the welding gun. Lastly is friction welding, which is a solid-state welding
process that generates heat through the workpiece and mechanical friction between workpiece in relative motion to one another.
Hi, my name is Ilya Maisarah binti Syam and I will present the conclusions of this report. In a conclusion, joining technology in oil and gas industry plays a very important role in the global energy supply as well as the world economy. Many technologies are crucial to the existence and functioning of this multi-billion industry. The oil and gas industry utilizes various highly complex infrastructure such as rigs, pipelines, platforms, plants, and facilities. The majority of these infrastructures are created using welding technologies. Welding is critical in oil and gas operations. Over the last 10 years, and we also are in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, computer modeling technology has advanced to a level where welding process can now be simulated by only using a computer modeling. At present, it is possible to model the thermomechanical results of solid-state and fusion welding process. This modeling technique allows for accurate prediction of final wear and heat effect zone microstructures. Computer modeling can also assist with procedure optimization. Joining technology welding process that have been developed over the last 5 until 10 years and their potential application to the upstream oil and gas industry. The first one is the friction stir welding. Friction stir welding has become an accepted joining process for aluminium alloys. It can produce high-quality joints in aluminium alloys with excellent mechanical properties at acceptable production rates. Current rural and development is directed at extending friction stir welding to other materials including steel. For the second is the resistant projection welding. This process is on the cusp of implementation for pressure vessel fabrication and similar application. Current research is being transitioned from the fundamental stage to real-world application. And the third one is the laser hybrid welding. Laser hybrid welding is currently being implemented into production fabrication. Over the next few years, it is expected to transition to upstream oil and gas welding application. And that's all from me. Thank you.